Welcome to the Lighthouse Tutorial Collection. We will add short videos to this site to help you accomplish tasks that are easier shown than spoken. We hope you find this useful. And remember, we are the IT department for businesses. Welcome to episode 2, where we're going to learn to send a fax via the web portal. In order to do so, you're going to need to log into the web portal in your browser. So we'll go to fax.lighthouseit.us. And you'll end that with sign in, would take us to the sign in page. When we get to the sign in page, you'll enter your email address, followed by your password. Click sign in, and you'll be signed into the web portal. If you do forget your password, of course, you can reset it. Simply go to this section here at the sign in and say forgot password, and when you do that, it will send a link to allow you to reset it. So we'll go back in to the web portal, and from here, in order to send a fax, you simply input the fax number. You can do it with a 10-digit format, unlike the 11-digit required if you send it via email. This will send a confirmation of your fax to another email address if you so desire. You choose the type of cover page you would like to have, so we'll pick a professional here. Deliver to will just put a name in the fax header to whom, what person that might want to be delivered to. So in this case, we're going to send this to Sam Smith. Subject will be test data. And notes will appear in the body of the email. So you have a few characters here. You can enter it since it's going to be the body of the email, which may be the only thing you want to send. So this is the body of the email, and you have up to 4,000 characters in order to send that. Tags we won't go through, just a way to organize your faxes if you're a large number of fax user. If you're going to do an attachment, you can drag and insert it here, or a URL to another file. You can click send, in which case it will send immediately, or you can click send later and schedule for when you're going to send it. So maybe you want to send it out on Monday morning at 8 o'clock in the morning. You can schedule that to be sent then. Otherwise, you click send and you're finished.